Good morning, dear student. Today I am going to explain triangle law of vector addition. And we know triangle law of vector addition used to add two vectors. Now, if two vectors can be represented both in magnitude and direction of two sides of triangle taken in same order, then their resultant represented completely both in magnitude and direction by third side of triangle taken in opposite order. Here is statement of triangle law of vector addition. Now see illustrations. Now according to statement of triangle law of vector addition, suppose we wish to add two vector A and vector B. Okay. Now I wish to add these two vectors. So I draw equal and parallel to vector A, that is OP vector. Now from head of P I draw other vector equal and parallel to B vector. Okay. Now I draw resultant from tail of OP vector and head of B vector. Now in this situation I take opposite order. Resultant should be opposite. So I draw from this point to this point. Suppose this point is Q, then resultant R will be vector A plus vector B. Okay, resultant R is equal to vector A plus vector B. Now according to triangle law of vector addition, triangle law of vector addition OQ vector equal to OP vector plus PQ vector, right? Now we know OQ is resultant R vector is equal to OP is A vector plus PQ is B vector. Okay. Parallelogram law of vector addition and two vectors. Okay, if two vectors can be represented both magnitude and direction by two adjacent sides of a parallelogram drawn from a common point, then the resultant is completely represented both in magnitude and direction by the diagonal of the parallelogram drawn from that point. Statement of parallelogram law of vector addition. Now from statement, illustration is illustration. Suppose we have two vectors, vector A and vector B. We wish to add these two vector A and vector B. So I draw one equal and parallel vector to A vector from origin point O, A vector. Now again I draw other vector which is equal and parallel to vector B. Now I complete this parallelogram. I give name to this parallelogram OPSQ. Now I draw one diagonal to this parallelogram, and this diagonal represent resultant R equal to A vector plus B vector. Okay, according to triangle law of vector addition, diagonal OS equal to OP plus OQ. OS is resultant R, OP is A vector, OQ is B vector.